And new at 10, new numbers showing that seniors across the country are falling into poverty and homelessness more than any other group. Santa Clara County's most recent data shows that nearly half of its homeless population is people 55 and older. KTVU South Bay reporter LaMonica Peters live for us in San Jose with how advocates are responding. LaMonica?
They're calling this crisis the silver tsunami, where many more seniors are falling on hard times. Now, of course, this isn't a new issue, but the pandemic and rising rents are bringing it to the forefront.
And on living just above $1,000 a month is not easy when you're paying 30% of your income for rent.
68-year-old Adrienne Lawton says she started working at 18 years old, and now that she's retired, she's serving as an associate pastor with Cham Deliverance Ministry in San Jose. She helps those in need of housing and other services, even though she still struggles to keep herself afloat.
I've been unhoused myself. It wasn't long, and it was a number of years ago, but that's our flesh and blood out there on the streets. People that we worked with dying. So it still hurts.
A recent U.S. Census Bureau report shows that last year, 1 million more seniors aged 65 and older fell into poverty. That's more than 10% of seniors, the highest level since 2002. Santa Clara County also reported 40% of its homeless population was at least 55 years or older in 2019.
What we recommend is for people just to get connected to resources in the community. Right now, we serve a lot of seniors that are unhoused or are on the verge of being unhoused or are at risk of homelessness.
Sonia Fraser is the clinical services manager at the Institute on Aging. She says they've started a new program called CalAIM, which partners with Santa Clara County's Family Health Plan to serve the unhoused and its most vulnerable seniors.
You can't just stick them in a house and think that they're going to get it. You have to do sustaining housing where they know that they have to pay their bills and they have to keep their place clean and they have to be a good community member.
The city of San Jose says that 3 new senior housing projects will be completed by the end of the year, adding 500 units. But advocates say more housing and assistance will still be needed to keep people in their homes. LaMonica Peters, KTVU, Fox 2 News.